Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at gold on the daily and weekly time frame, starting with GLD per member request. We have a very bullish day today, increase in volume, and a very bullish June. Look at all this action. But the RSI is approaching 70. We can see we have not been above 70 in the past 3 months. We are at the highest RSI we have been, and we're at key resistance. So we topped out 123.93, 123.96. High of today, 123.87. Bulls really need to break that level, get above 124 tomorrow to get a convincing higher high. If I were looking for a bullish entry, I wouldn't be here for gold because the risk to reward does not favor the bulls after such a strong move. And we are testing a very key resistance level. So we are looking for the bulls to potentially be exhausted when they hit this key resistance. Tomorrow is going to be a very important day. Weekly time frame shows that little double bottom down just above 115. Bulls really need that 124 break for higher highs for this weekly chart to be looking good and to see a bullish MACD cross on the weekly time frame follow through. So let's now look at the usual gold here on the daily and weekly. So gold, bearish reversal doji, obviously where Stocktwits.com determines the end of the day is affecting what this candlestick looks like. We're still trading gold right now currently. And let's look here. Gold on the daily chart here is not a bearish reversal candlestick. So need to take that with a grain of salt. If this level is not broken of 1306, it is going to be a double top. And after a bunch of green days in a row here, we've seen one red day, lots of green in a row. If the bulls are tired and cannot break to new highs above 1300, we are going to see a pullback and have us looking at some bearish gold positions. Weekly chart, same thing. Little bit of a double bottom around 1210. Need to break 1300, 1306 to turn that into support. We saw a lot of action in the gold miners today. NUGT, perfect bounce off the 10-day moving average support, holding that support strong and looking for a breakout. This is a potential cup and handle pattern, though not textbook. The left side resistance is up at 123.96. The right side we topped out at 119, consolidated. And now if we were to break out, if gold were to break above 1310 tomorrow and see a big time move, then this would be a cup and handle pattern and we would see NUGT explode to the upside. So we are watching dust for a potential bounce play, but we did get rejected from the 10-day moving average resistance. 905 is the all-time low. 10-day moving average needs to become support for me to be looking for any kind of bullish move after this emphatic rejection today by dust. So gold is bullish. Not going to deny that. Hourly chart, extremely strong uptrend, zooming out. 4-hour chart shows sufficient consolidation on the uptrend. We are establishing higher lows here. We're not going straight up. So that does give a little bit of points for the bulls to continue this move. Stair-stepping higher, but it's all about 1300. If we can't get over that, tomorrow and in the next couple of days for the rest of the week, we're going to be looking down at some of these higher lows as support. And if they begin breaking, I'm looking at 1280 specifically where we tested and held twice, we'll be looking for downside. So scouting dust, not liking the risk to reward for gold entry here at this point. But that being said, if you are already in gold, there is no reason to sell yet. You're still waiting on that 1300 test and giving the bulls a chance here. So that is the rundown for gold. 1300, big level for the rest of the week. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll be back checking it out here as usual. See you then.